Hello, now I'm going to be showing you a video on this really cool science project that I'm doing. Let's go. So first, I will show you the instructions that you need, but I already have them with me, so let me read off the list. So the materials that you need, first you need a pencil. So I have a pencil right here. Like I have a pencil right here. Then a clear plastic cup. I recommend like these kind of cups. I recommend these kind of cups, but you can use any kind of cup you want. And you need index cards. I got these kind of index cards because this is what you need. Then you need tape. I have got it Scotch Magic tape. Then you need a water bottle with a cap, and I'll go get that right now. Okay, I'm going to be using a smart water bottle. Okay, I'll just set that there. And then you need a push pin. And I have a push pin. And then I have a sink. And then I need a towel. So here's my towel. Okay. Now I have everything I need. So first it says make sure that you do these experiments over the sink. So that's why I did it in my bathroom. Part 1. Number 1. Fill the cup with water to the very top. So this will be kind of hard to do, but you need like space to put it when you're done. So I move all my stuff that's on this side over here, so I'll have room. Okay. There, I have all my stuff. Now let me just move all to this side. Okay, let me see if I have my push pin over here. Okay, it's right there. Okay, so I'll set this down there. Okay, so I'll fill this to the very top. Okay, then I'll set it up to the side. Be careful not to tip it over because it'll make a big mess. Okay, then keep the cup over the sink and slowly turn over the cup. Okay, so we need to turn over this cup. And record your observations on a piece of lined paper. But this is like for homework, so I'm going to write it down on my sheet. Okay, all Okay, so for my observation, I wrote all the water poured out of the cup and down the drain. Okay, so number 3, fill the cup with water to the top again, to the very top again. So I'll do this again. There. You set it right here. Okay, number 3. Place the index card on top of the cup. Okay. Next, place your hand on top of the index card. Make sure that the air can't get into the cup. Oops. Oops. Okay, what else does it say? Keep your hand on the index card and turn the cup upside down over the sink. Make sure that you don't squeeze the cup. If you have trouble getting a good seal, moisten the index card first. So we go like this. Let's get some water out. And see, the water didn't leak out. Next, it says, what do you think will happen if you take your hand off of the index card? Carefully take your hand off the index card and record your observations. So, watch. It all poured out. It all poured out after I moved it. Let's just put the index card in the sink when you're done. And in the cup. And use the towel to dry your hands. Okay, next, I'm going to set the space. Okay, next, it says, okay, so you have to record your observations. Okay, so I wrote down, at first all the water stayed in until I moved my hand from the cup. Then it all poured out. Okay. Okay, now let's see what's next. It says, what do you think will happen if you turn the cup to the side? Carefully tilt the cup to the side. Record your observations. Okay, so we have to fill this up again. And you could just throw away the index card, but first squeeze it out so you don't drop it. Like in case it, okay, never mind. Okay, so we have to fill it up again. Wait, hold on, I need to move this. There. There. Okay, now we need an index card. Make sure that you have a stack of index cards in case you yeah. Okay, now tilt it. First, there. Okay, so It started to pour out like slowly, but then all of the water came out after I removed my hand. Rapidly. Okay, so let me write that down. Oops. Okay. Okay. Next, turn the cup right side up. Move the index card and gently pour out the water into the sink. Use the towel to clean up any water that might have spilled on the counter or the floor. Let me just do something real quick. The index card eventually turns into like a cloth. Because index cards are like pretty strong. So let me just set that down and set this down. Okay, let me dry my hands. Okay, now we have to fill it up again. And get another index card. And we'll just leave that there for now. I would recommend filling up the water like 2 centimeters away from the top, so like when you place the index card down, it won't like overspill. Okay. Right side up. Remove the index card. Just set it in the water. Okay. And then pour it out. Okay. So then I don't have to, like, it was just the final thing that you have to do it. Okay. Now let me see if that's all. Okay, now it says, did you pour the water out of the cup when you removed your hand from the index card? Explain why or why not. Pour out of the cup when you removed your hand from the index card. Yes. Just write down yes. Okay. So, now there's another activity that we can do. Okay. Now this is with the water bottle. Okay, so we have to write a prediction. So here's a prediction. When you tighten the cap on a full bottle of water, will the water pour out of a hole in the bottom? But we will have to fill the water bottle first, and then we'll have to poke. Well, first we have to poke a hole at the bottom. Okay. When you tighten the hole, will the water pour out of the hole at the bottom? We have to get our push pin in our water bottle and poke it at the bottom. I can't get this. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I'll be right back.